We are going to do a walkthrough of a Uhling HP2000 case clamp. The maximum clamping capacity is 50 inches long by 42 inches high by 24 inches deep. The minimum clamping capacity is around 8 inches in length. Setup time is really fast. You simply unlock your carriage, release your button, relock your carriage, activate your clamps, turn your clamps off, again unlock the carriage, relock your carriage. You can adjust those dual pressure pod bars very easily. Activate your clamps. And again, deactivate your clamps. And as an added bonus, the HP2000 can also be used as a drawer clamp.